Good afternoon. Chapter LPP, exercise 12.1, question number 1. Solve the LPP graphically. Maximize z equal to 3x plus 4y, subject to x plus y less than equal to 4, x greater than 0, and y greater than equal to 0. So, first you make the inequality equation, that is to equal. So consider x plus y equal to 4. X plus y equal to 4. Okay. And objective function is z is equal to 3x plus 4y. Now you can write this x plus y equal to 4 means x by 4 plus y by 4 equal to 1. Okay, dividing is term by 4 to make 1 in the right side. So x by 4 means on the x-axis length is 4 unit and on the y-axis length is 4 unit. Okay, now draw this line, and x greater than 0, y greater than 0, that is positive side of the x-axis and y-axis. And objective function is z is equal to 3x plus 4y. The given objective function is (3x plus 4y). Okay. Now draw x-axis and y-axis. X dash y dash. O with the origin O. Okay. Now x by 4, y by 4. So on the x-axis 4 unit. Okay. Suppose this is 4 unit, and on the y-axis also 4 unit. This 4 unit. Now join these two points. Okay, this equation is x plus y equal to 4. Now equation is x plus y less than equal to 4. So x plus y less than equal to 4. Now find its direction. Which side? Okay, towards the origin or away from the origin. So put 0, 0, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Putting x 0 and y 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. Then this means 0, less than equal to 4. Now 0 less than equal to 4. This is true or false? This is
True.
true. Okay. 0 less than 4. Now if it is true, then direction of this line is towards the origin. That means this side. Okay. So this is the direction. That means this is the region, and x greater than 0, y greater than 0. The positive side, okay, of the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, it is clear. And x by 4, that means coordinate of this point is, coordinate of this point, okay, this is A and this point is B. Okay, so coordinate of A is 4, 0, x by 4, and coordinate of B is 0, 4, because y by 4, y also 4. Okay, 0, 4, and origin coordinate is 0, 0, 0, 0. So the feasible region, so the feasible region lies in the first quadrant. Lies in the first quadrant. Okay, now find their corner points of this region. So what are the corner points? O, A and B. Therefore corner points are, therefore corner points are, that means boundary points, and this is bounded. Points are O, that is 0, 0, A is 4, 0, and B 0, 4. Okay, now objective function finds, okay, z, find the values of z at the point O, A and B. Okay, so at z is equal to 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y. Okay, so at 0, 0, at O 0, 0, so z equal to z 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 equal to 0. Okay, then at A point 4, 0, so value of z is z equal to 3 into x, 4, 0 means x equal to 4, 3 into 4 plus 4 into 0, so equal to 3 into 4, 12. Then another point at B 0, 4. Okay, z equal to So x equal to 0, y equal to 4. X equal to 0, 3 into 0 plus 4 into 4. Y equal to 4. So 4 into 4, 16. 16. Okay. So question is maximize Z, maximum value. So which one maximum? Out of 16, 12 and 0, maximum is 16. At which point? 0, 4. 0, 4. So thus Z is maximum at 0, 4 and maximum value and maximum value equal to 16. Okay? Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This type question, including this exercise. Okay? LPP. Now, question number 2. Minimize Z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y. Minus 3x plus 4y subject to x plus 2y, x plus 2y less than equal to 8. Less than equal to 8. And another equation 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. Less than equal to 12. X greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. X greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. Okay. So two inequalities are x plus 2y less than equal to 8 and 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. Okay. So your objective function is z equal to minus 3x plus 4y. Okay. Now consider take one by one inequality equation, that is 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. Okay, 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. This where this will be 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Okay, 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So to make standard form, divide each term by 12. So 3x by 12 plus 2y by 12 equal to 12 by 12. So this means x by
X by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1.
plus y by 6 equal to 1. Okay, and another equation, another one, 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. Oh, this one done, no? 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. Okay, and first one is
X plus 2y less than equal to 8.
x plus 2y, x plus 2y less than equal to 8. Okay, x plus 2y less than equal to 8, and another one, 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. Okay, so x plus 2y less than equal to 8. So consider x plus 2y equal to 8, equal to 8. So to make standard form, x by 8 plus 2y by 8 equal to 1, 8 by 8, and it is x by 8 plus y by 4 equal to 1. Okay, now draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this x-axis, x dashed, y dashed, y. So first, okay, you can draw this one. First 8 and 4, x8, y4. Okay, and second one is x4, y6. Okay, so x8. Okay, take this 8, and this 4. This 4 and 6. So first x8, y4, x8 and y4, this. Then another one, x4, y6, x4, y6. This. Okay, so x8, y4, so this coordinate of this point is, okay, and this is O origin 0, 0. Now find direction one by one. First line is x plus 2y less than equal to 8. Now x plus 2y less than equal to 8. So putting 0, 0, x0, y0, then 0 less than equal to 8. So 0 less than equal to 8, it is true. It is true. That means towards the direction is towards the origin. Okay?
Origin.
Yes, origin side. Towards the origin. And another equation, 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. So putting x0, y0, so 0 less than equal to 12. So this is also true. Okay, so direction of this line is towards the origin. So both are towards the origin side. That means this line direction is this line direction is this side, origin side. Okay, and this is also origin side. That means this is the common region. Now we have to find always common region.
Yes, sir.
This part. Okay, this part is not common. Okay, only this line is going, but this line is not going. So common region is this. Okay, now find the corner points of the common region. So take this is A, this point, and this intersection point is B,
4 common regions.
and this is C, this point C. Okay, so A is x by 4, y by 6,
4 common regions.
4, 0, A, and C is C 0,
0, 4.
C is 0, 4, and B, how to find B? By solving these two
Sir, 2,
equations.
3.
By solving these two equations. Now solve these two equations. So one equation is x plus 2y equal to 8, and another one is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Okay, x plus 2y equal to 8 and 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Now second equation minus first equation. So 3x plus 2y minus x minus 2y equal to 12 minus 8. 2y cancel. So 3x minus x, 2x equal to 12 minus 8, 4. Then x equal to,
So y is equal to 3.
x equal to 2.
X equal to 2.
Okay, and y equal to x plus 2y equal to 8. So x equal to 2. So 2 plus 2y equal to 8. Then 2y equal to 8 minus 2, 6. So y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. So the point is 2, 3. And it is which point? C, B point. So coordinate of B is, therefore B, coordinate of B is 2, 3. Okay? Is okay? 2, 3 coordinate of B. This is
Yes, sir.
this point is 2, 3. Okay? Therefore corner points are, corner points are, so origin 0, 0, then A point is 4, 0. A is 4, 0, and B. B and C, no? More one point.
2, 3.
B is 2, 3. One more point is there, no? C.
Yes, sir. C
is
0, 4.
4. C is 0, 4. Okay. So now z equal to, so objective function is minus 3x plus 4y. Minus 3x plus 4y.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at O 0 0, so z is equal to 0. Z equal to 0. Okay. Now at
Zero.
A point is 4 comma 0. So z equal to x is 4 minus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 0. Okay. So it is minus 12. Okay. Now at B. So B point is 2 comma 3.
2.
2 comma 3
Z
is
is
equal
equal
to,
to
z is equal to minus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3. So equal to minus 6 plus 12. Minus 6 plus 12. So it is minus 6 plus 12 is equal to 6. Minus 6 plus 12, 6. Okay, then at which point? At C.
C.
At C. What is the coordinate of C?
0, 4.
0, 4. So 0, 4, 0, 4. So 0, 4. So z equal to 0. X is 0, y is 4. That means minus 3 into 0. Minus 3 into 0 plus 4 into what? 4 into y equal to 4.
4.
4 into 4. Okay. So it is minus 3 into 0, 0 plus 4 into 4, 16. So equal to what? Equal to 16. Okay. So all done. 0, O point, A point, B point, C point. Okay. Now question is, what is the question? Minimize. So which one minimum value? 6
Minus 12.
minus 12, 0. Which one minimum?
Minus 12.
Minus 12, yes. So Z is minimum at, thus Z is minimum. Z is minimum at which point? Z is minimum 4 comma 0. 4
Yes,
comma
sir.
0. 4 comma 0 and minimum value and minimum value equal to what? Minus 12. Minus 12. This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question.
No, sir.
So practice this all tomorrow, and you try after the question number 3 and 4. Then I will do tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. It's time now. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.